Want to quickly find out who the CEO of any company is using Google Finance? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to check company leadership in just a few clicks. First, open Google Finance in your browser. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and search for any company or stock of your choice. For example, let's take Meta Platforms. Click on the company from the search results to open its profile page. After that, scroll down until you find the About section. When you click on About, you'll see key company details, including the CEO. In this case, the CEO of Meta Platforms is Mark Zuckerberg. Let's try another example. Search for Tesla and open its page. Again, scroll down to the About section and you'll find that the CEO of Tesla is Elon Musk. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. And that's how you can easily find the CEO of any company using Google Finance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.